Morning guys! It is our last day in Byron Bay. And it's very gloomy today. Tingnan nyo, walang araw. So it is 9 in the morning and we will have our breakfast there. Remember na nandito kami last time, dyan kami first breakfast. So pupunta kami dyan, sama namin yung mama niya. Tingnan nyo, jump pack kami guys. Tingnan nyo ang mga bags. Oh, everywhere. Punong-puno sa likuran. Huh? Shall I bring it? Is it dangerous? Huh? Oh, we just across the road instead. Alright, tingnan nyo. Lini, Lini. Lini, Lini. Say good morning, guys. Say morning, guys.
Morning, guys. Hi, guys.
Welcome back. Welcome?
Yeah.
Back?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom.
Come on, not in this car.
I'm going to buy you some Smarties. Because you're little Miss Smarty Pants.
I'm gonna spell it. I not spell yes.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Y-E-S.
Y-E-S.
I have to buy you some Smarties.
Dito kami pero hindi pa nalinisan. Nailin! Nailin! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Careful, please.
Daddy, Mama.
Mama. Mama.
What?
Busy sila guys. Oh, hindi pa nalinisan from old customer.
Tom.
Tom, Mama. Oh, go ahead, Ate. So, pupunta kami ng lighthouse today, guys. And it's very gloomy, man. Sige na lang. Got no choice.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Probably would have been better off getting them in takeaway cups for these two.
Yeah, true. Lini, Ate,
Well,
have a
for
look at yours.
Lily anyway. Oh,
Ara.
I did my shoe.
You got cookie too. Lin.
I did my shoe.
Well done, Paris.
Oh,
Look, I did my shoe.
Paris,
great job.
the little
Is that how you do it?
Lenny.
the froth.
There's a
Look
cookie.
at that. Lenny. Look at me. Lenny, look at me. Show me your tongue.
Cookie.
Oh,
Lenny.
no? Cookie?
Doggy.
Is it a good cookie?
Yum. Celine, don't put your nose.
Lenny.
Yummy, yum. Breakfast is served. I told
Thank
you
you,
someone
Lola.
likes the
Lola.
bacon.
I know.
You got Lenny.
You're simply the
A few moments later.
Yan, ubos lahat ay. Yung akin. Hey, may mga ganito pa hindi ko kinain. Yung salad.
Where's that tea?
Hala, why did daddy? I'll just eat it. Bis, sayang man eh.
Mom, Ati.
Mmm.
Where is Ati?
Where's Lini?
Ati.
Hala, bulingita na oy.
Where is Ati? Where is Ati? Where is Ati?
Ate, daddy.
Where is Ati? Where is Ati? Where is Ati?
in the lighthouse.
I think they live here.
Assistant lighthouse keepers cottages.
They live here.
Oh, lucky you. Although it'd be a lot of, I could imagine who get during tourist season. You probably have people knocking on your door.
Look at the clouds.
Oh, cottages, you can stay there. I bet that's really expensive.
Oops.
Hmm?
It's okay now.
Where did Daddy go? Guys, nandito kami sa Colombata. So we're halfway home. Nag-stop kami dito para tingin sa beach. But this one just woke up. Ayan, binantayan ko yan siya dito. Daddy Mike and Paris. They crossed the road. Pumunta sila ng beach. Ayan, nagtingin sila ng beach. And then yung lola niya ay nag-stretch ng kanyang paa bago daw kami umuwi. So, she went for a walk somewhere. Naiwan kami ni Baby Celine dito. Isn't that right lang? Ngayon lang yan siya nagising. Oh. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Wow. No. Are you thirsty?
No.
Are you sure? I can give you water. This water. No? Wala talagang araw today, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Very muggy. Anyways. Yeah. Oh gosh. No! You don't want it lang. Okay. Bad trip tayo, guys. Kasi kanina, nung nandun kami sa Byron Bay, ay na-miss namin yung lighthouse. So, nung pumunta kami doon, unfortunately, walang mapaparkingan. So, yesterday sana kami pupunta, but sabi namin, oh, it's Sunday, it's busy, maybe bukas kasi Monday, medyo quiet. But we were so wrong. Pagdating namin doon, walang maparkingan. So, umikot na lang kami. So, hindi kami nakapag-picture, hindi kami nakapunta doon sa taas. Like last time. It's okay naman for us kasi nakapunta na kami, but I wanted Mike's mom to, you know, like experience it, mag-picture doon, but it was also raining nung nandun kami, guys, kaya umalis na lang kami. So nag-drive kami straight dito. Dapat sana magstay kami dito, guys, sa lugar na to, Colombata. Magstay kami for a couple of days. Mag-book sana ng accommodation kasi yung holiday ni Daddy Mike hanggang Thursday pa yung balik niya sa work. But because of the weather, ganito, parang inano namin ba kung ang weather ganito lang din naman na maulan, tapos very cloudy, sabi namin, hindi na lang. Magstay kami ganito, ganyan, magtingin-tingin sa labas, pero hindi talaga magstay kasi there's no use na magstay dito. Kung tingnan nyo naman ang beach ay very madilim ba siya. Sabi namin, mag-stop na lang kami dito for a couple of hours, tapos drive kami pa uwi. So, by tomorrow and then the next day, we will just find something na parang day trip na nasa Brisbane lang para makauwi din. Hindi talaga kailangan rent ng accommodation ba. So, ayun lang. Kasi kung makita nyo, madilim talaga siya, guys. Kahapon sana, perfect talaga kahapon, guys. Pumunta kami ng what's the word? White house. Lighthouse, pero hindi man. It's okay. Can you say, it's okay? Say, it's okay, mommy. No, can you see Celine's face? It's okay, mommy. Are you hungry? Late na kasi yung breakfast namin kanina, so we're still full, guys. It's now 2 o'clock. So gusto ng mama ni Daddy Mike na magtingin-tingin sa op shop. Parang sabi ko sa inyo ba na okay dito. So we'll see. Merong few op shops like within 500 meters. So we'll see kung ano. Do we get out? Yeah. Okay. Hang on. funny, Celine. You're a funny, funny girl. Where is Lini gonna sit? Oh, it's not bad. It's alright. It is Wednesday, guys. Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit. Ate, come here na. Celine is going to follow you.
Thanks for to be here.
Ang sarap yung buhok ti, oy. Parang kagkabog. Lini.
Mama.
Come down here now. Tignan niyo ang mukha ni Lini, guys. Oh, nako. Napakahirap tanggalin. Color pen ba sa kanyang mukha? Ewan ko ba, sinulatan ng kanyang mukha.
Here?
Yeah, I think they do, sweetheart.
Because I remember when I was drawing him.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, can we quickly get drawing?
Yeah. Oh, we have to get Lini first. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock, guys. We'll have breakfast.
No, we can show Celine the picture and then she'll draw us.
Yeah.
She'll get
Ang lola nila ay nagsha-shower. Iniwan namin. But she wants to go somewhere else. Just have breakfast and then mamaya we will go somewhere for lunch. Kasi last day na ng lola nila. Uuwi na ng Melbourne. Come on, let's go. We'll have a look. Lini, do you wanna come? Sorry.
Well, let's get a picture.
Lini! Alam niyo ba, guys? Oh, it's been raining yesterday. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi it was so wet. Yeah. It was so wet. Kaya tingnan niyo. Walang araw kahapon. Sobrang basang-basa. Maulan. Very cloudy. Yes? Oh, careful.
Let's get a picture.
Let's go have a look.
Ah! B!
Lini! Can you say Ate Paris? Sharing?
Sammy!
Sharing, Ate.
Sammy! Mom!
And what did you say when Ate Paris shared it to you?
Bye! Daddy!
You said thank you?
Daddy! Daddy!
Thank
Dada?
you.
That, I know what that is. A platypus. Platypus, that one.
It is a platypus.
Oh, we'll have the same thing as last time, though.
Do you want the toast? Avocado?
Yeah, I like your drawing.
That looks very beautiful. It's the same art.
This is nicer.
Oh, Lini! Halatay na niya na. Nag-ice. Kaliwat, gini sila ice, baby. Eh, here. Take that away.
Oh.
Dad,
Laway na.
that color? Dad, what do you think that color?
Okay.
That's a really good shade of grey, Paris. You've done that, Paris. You've done that amazingly.
Aline! Oh my God! Here. Give me a Celine.
Daddy! Daddy!
Naughty? Breakfast. Scrambled egg. Look at this.
You think so?
Avocado. And as far as got the toast.
Do you think?
I think so. That's what I think.
Yum. Up.
I'm going to join.
After breakfast, we're at the park. We'll just get the kids to play for a little bit. Ubusin ang kanilang energy. Ow! That hurts.
My battery died.
Yeah, no, we have to leave here by 12:10.
Why?
I have someone coming at 12:30. 11:40.
We have to go on the other side.
Nini!
Daddy?
Yes.
Up here. This one.
Daddy!
You do it together. Okay?
Oh.
I let her go.
Sige.
She'll be fine. She can have no sleep.
You too, honey.
Well done, Abs.
Sorry, it's okay. You don't have to hold her because it's so cute.
How about you? Come on.
Go on, Paris. Watch out, lady.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Good girl. Leanie's turn. Is it your turn?
Dad! Dad! Daddy!
Leanie. Looks like it. Careful. Careful lang. Wee! Okay. Wee! Woo! Good girl.
Daddy!
Watch out for Paris. Watch out for Andy.
Daddy!
And when you're ready, you drop.
Daddy!
Land on your feet.
Wow! Good job.
Lady's turn, mommy.
Is it Lena's turn?
Let her go!
Okay, let her go, Lee. Let's go.
Mama! Daddy!
Wow, well done, Lenny. You're okay.
Well done, Abs.
Let go.
Mommy!
Okay, you can let go. Ready, Paris?
Yeah!
Okay, go, Lynn. Run, quick. No, you have to run, Celine. You can't just say no.
Kick the ball to Lady. Yeah, give the ball to Lady and then she'll give it back and then you can kick it. Give the ball, Lady.
Throw to Daddy.
Right to Daddy, Lady.
Throw to Mommy na lang. Mommy.
Yeah. Back.
You got tackled. Lainey, that's what happens if you keep the ball in hand.
Give the ball to Daddy. In.
Pass it to Daddy, otherwise the Paris will tackle you. Quick! Look! Go run, Lainey! Run!
Stop.
Good girl. Not too far, Daddy. Lane, go run!
It's good exercise for them to run.
What happened?
Paddle there or something.
Oh no. Celine will find paddle.
Get the ball quickly before Lynn goes there. Hey, come here.
Oh no.
Come here. This time that Lynn got it. Oh, good hit. Lily. Let Lynn get it. Get Lynn, get it. Get the ball, get it.
Get it in! Woo! Quick, quick!
Look at her face. Pass it, Daddy.
Dito kami sa Nelly Boathouse, guys. Magla-lunch kami. Nauna na yung mama niya dito tsaka sa daddy kay umorder. Natulog yung mga kids sa car. Yummy! You find your ice cream? Where? Dini.
Lily, here.
Where's your ice cream?
Yeah.
There! There, paabot sa ice cream. Kalooy. Kalooy sa bata nagpaabot ng ice cream. Come here, Nana. Hey! What is it lang? Oh, really? Oh, wow. It's here! It's here, ba? Look, see? Can you see? I told you. Linny's. Where did you get that from, Nak?